Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick demo of some flower coasters that I made. I had some leftover resin when I made my Milky Way resin coasters a few days ago. So I'm using my Total Boat tabletop epoxy. I filled these coaster molds up almost to the rim and I wanted to use some of this beautiful gold leaf from Dryer Days Art Studio. I mixed in the gold leaf with a little bit of clear resin. You want that to be really thick so the gold leaf doesn't float around too much. I'm going in with some of the Camella pink from Laura's Art Corner, some Surf's Up white from Island Micas and more, and just making circles inside the mold. And I'm going to do one more circle of the Camella pink, and that's it. I'm going to cover these guys up and let them sit for 1 hour. And to be honest, I actually forgot about these. I didn't set a timer, and when I went in to make my flower petals, it was actually more like an hour and a half later. So you can see that this is really thick. The resin's really thick right now. I'm just going in with a stir stick and making my flower petals. When I do this, I think about o'clock. I do 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then split the difference in between those petals. And it's okay if, your resin kind of raises up. It's going to self-level back out when it's time to demold it. Here's how they turned out. I really like the top side, which is what you're seeing here, but I wish I would have made like a swirl in the center where the gold leaf is, but I'll do that next time. And this is the bottom side. I'm not too crazy about this side, but I wanted to upload this video really quickly to show you guys how easy it is to make resin coasters, especially if you have some leftover resin. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I have more in-depth tutorials. I'll leave them here at the end card screen. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.